Module 8, Lesson 3, Send from your own domain. The from address is the first thing a subscriber reads before the subject, before the content. Mail from your own domain earns opens. Mail from a generic platform domain quietly costs them. This lesson puts your domain on the from line of every campaign. In Settings, Workspace, alongside the branding fields, set the custom email from, the mailbox your campaigns should appear from, like news@hartwell.example. This pairs with the white label switch. When white label is on and the address is set, the dispatcher sends as your address with your brand name as the display name, and even the unsubscribe headers derive from your domain. Your domain needs to tell the world simple marketing may send for it. That's 2 DNS records. SPF lists the servers allowed to send your domain's mail. DKIM signs each message cryptographically so receivers can verify it wasn't altered. You add both as DNS records. Your provider's verification panel gives you exact values, and verification confirms when they resolve. Without them, receiving servers treat your mail as suspect, no matter how good the content is. DMARC sits on top. It tells receivers what to do with mail that fails SPF and DKIM and where to send reports. Start with policy none to observe, move to quarantine once the reports look clean. It protects your domain from spoofing and improves how receivers score your legitimate mail. One operational truth: domain reputation builds with consistent volume and engaged recipients, and burns fast with complaints. Keep double opt-in on, honor unsubscribes instantly. Both are defaults here, and your domain standing compounds month over month. Next lesson, billing. The Stripe-backed plans surface, invoices, and what happens when you outgrow your tier. See you there.